dead miles from here, stretching out your spine like a cheetah. I know you're not okay, Bonita. I know you're not okay. Sa. A Joan of Arc archetype, but the E-version. And you came to cause a disturbance. Shoulder high, the black wave that's coming to swallow you whole. Sa. Tick. To keep the rats from your table, to keep your demons at bay. Sa. Tick.